Okay, good evening everyone, and today video I'm going to show you how to install and set up this Xiaomi Mi 360. First of all, you just input the power supply into it.
Waiting for connection.
Okay, and after that just softly scroll this camera and you will see the reset button here. Just use your phone eject SIM card and press it. Okay, let's see the detail in the description. I will put a link how to reset it if you cannot find the reset button by yourself. Okay, and now let's go on. After you already reset the camera, you will hear the
waiting for connection.
This sound, waiting for connection. And now use your phone to scan the QR code on the camera. But before you scan the QR code, you need to download this iHomes app. This one. Okay.
Waiting for connection.
After that, turn it on. Set up it with your own data. For example, connect it to one of your social accounts, just like Facebook, and another thing that it recommend on the app. And after that, you will reach this template, and now press this plus button on the top right hand of your smartphone. Okay, after that, press scan, and you will find the scan on the below surface of the camera. Scan it. Okay, after scan, the camera will detach, and here is how it reset the camera, and I already reset it, so we just press device reset because we already reset it. Okay, and now press device reset.
Waiting for connection.
Okay, in this step, make sure that your phone is already connected to a Wi-Fi network that you want it to connect to your camera. Okay.
Waiting for connection.
And here is your Wi-Fi's name, and this one is your Wi-Fi password. And please check properly if the Wi-Fi's name and the password are already correct. And now press next. And now press join with the camera. And make sure that your
waiting for connection.
Okay. And make sure that your
connecting. Please wait.
Okay.
Connection to Wi-Fi completed. Pairing to account completed. Device online.
Okay, now it's done. I just want to make sure that you already turn on the Bluetooth, but this camera no need Bluetooth connection. Okay, now you can create a new room if you don't have the room. So I have the living room and balcony, or if you don't have the room, just press create and select one by yourself. We have backyard, bathroom, bedroom, dining room, or something. You can check it out by yourself. Press one of that room and press OK. Okay, now I already set up it. Just select my balcony and then press next. Select your camera's name, or you can leave it to the default name, i360 camera 1080p. Okay, I leave it that name. Press next and display the large card on the home page. Press next. Agree with the term and condition. Okay, now it's got online. Okay, you can see my hand, and now it's appear on the front screen. Okay, and we try to control it. Okay. Okay, please input the SD card if you don't use the online storage. So the SD card will take place here, you can see. Okay, and please make sure that your SD card is the new one and there are no any file inside the SD card, so you no need to do format in the camera. So just if there are any file in the SD card, just format it in your computer before you input to the camera. Okay, and on the other hand, what more people meet in that situation is the upside down image when you install the camera like this. So you will see the, for example, you will see the upside down image like this. So if you meet that situation, just select these three dots, and after that go to, let me check, camera setting, image setting, and you will select the rotate image, and now select rotate and press tick, back. Okay, now you will see the image now got rotate. Okay, so I hope you got the point, and we now turn it back to normal. Camera setting, image setting, rotate image, rotate one and tick. Okay, now back to normal. And on the other hand, please make sure you got this camera hang on the wall. If you want to drill and hang it on the wall with these 2 points, and to install this one first on the wall, and after that input your camera in this location and then rotate it so the camera will hang on the wall. Okay, okay, so the point will be like this to the wall, and you can just use your camera to test it first before you drill to the wall. So I input it back to the camera until it lock like this. Okay, so it will not drop my camera down. Okay, so that's it. That is all for today's video of how you can set up and install this Mi 360 degree 1080p. And now thanks for your time watching this video, and I hope to see you again in the next video. Bye bye and have a nice day.